Sarah's team raised some money. The members used 74% of the money to buy uniforms, 18% for equipment, and the remaining $216 for a team party. How much money did the team raise? Here we can let X to be the amount of money raised by the team. So they use 74% of X to buy uniform and 18% of X to buy equipment. We know that the remaining of the money is used for a team party. So if we let the amount of money raised by the team as 100%, then the percentage of money they use for a team party can be found by subtracting 100% with the percentage of money they used to buy uniforms and equipment. So we have the percentage of money for a team party is 100% minus 74% minus 18%, which is equal to 8%. So 8% of X is used for a team party, and we know that they use $216 for a team party, so 8% of X is equal to 216. Here we can write the percent as a decimal. Remember that 8% means 8 over 100 or equal to 0.08. So we can rewrite our last equation as 0.08 times x equals to 216, and it is a linear equation. So to find x, we divide both sides with 0.08. Therefore, we get x equals to 2700. It means that the answer is D.